Hi everyone. Today I will be I'll be making a video on part 2 of how to fill the ICAS form step by step. I've already made part 1 of it where I've informed everybody about all the things that you need uh, before you apply and after. So today I'm only going to cover form filling and just follow me and you'll be able to fill your form smoothly on ICAS. Once again, it is for people, like my husband who've done their degrees from City Manipal University, distance learning in India, and no other ECA agency does the evaluation for SMU distance learning. ICAS is the only place that does it. The only problem is that they take 30 weeks, but that's all right. That's better than nothing. So let's get to the form. This is what an ICAS application form looks like. How do you reach this place? You go to ICAS, the official website, you click on applying for immigration to Canada, click on apply now, and this opens. Sometimes it might show you that they're not they have lots of applications, which is why the site is not working right now. So you can come back later and try, and it'll work. So I have it open here already. So let's just fill it one by one. So the first thing that you have to fill is last name and first name. So I'm going to say following in Canada, first name, going to put date of birth. Let's say it's this. So then after you've put your date of birth, put your gender and click on next. Then here you put your address. I'm just going to put some address. Only to um, demonstrate to you guys how it's done. So I'm not really putting the correct details. I'm just putting whatever. Yeah, and then I click on next. Here you have to basically put details about your your institutions that you've attended, include your primary, whatever, um, just put all the details here. So let's just read what's recommended. It's a list of all school institutions attended, include your primary and any institution where you're coming from. Use the terminology that appears on the original document. Do not translate the names of your documents into Canadian terminology. If your list of qualification exceeds the number of fields available, please enclose a complete chart when you submit your documents. So I guess that in the previous video we saw how to how to fill basically what are the documents required according to your country. So for our thing, I think we require post secondary. So let's just we'll fill this section, okay, post secondary section, and then we'll click on next. As we do, we pick for which program do we need this um, you know, assessment. I think we need it for in my case, I need it for FSW. So I clicked on FSW and then you can just move on. It clearly says what you'll get. You will get 2 original assessment reports, basically physical copy. You will also get an electronic copy and you will get an electronic storage of report for verification by IRCC. These are the 3 things that you're going to get. You click on next, and you put delivery address, so you can you know, get it delivered to uh, Canada. If you require any additional copies, you put the number here. I don't require any. So you can put it on mail, you can put it on Courier International because it's Delhi. And if there's any additional information around the address you need to put, you can put it here. Click on next. Um, do not request your report to be sent directly to IRCC. I think it's only Wes that sends your report directly to IRCC. No other EC agency does that. So do not put IRCC's address. Please put an address that you can get to yourself. Okay. So put that, and then that's it. Next, you you click on these things. I'm the applicant. Yes, I declare that information provided is true and accurate. Yes, I have read everything. I have read and agreed. I authorize ICS to provide uh, a copy to IRCCC. Yes, uh, and yes. And after this, you basically click on finish by going to one of those payment site. Click on go to payment site. There you are. You make a payment. They charge you total $285, and it doesn't matter the number of credentials you're getting done. It's the same charge for all of them. $285 you have to pay, and you put your details here, and that's it. Once you make your payment, your form is submitted. What do you get after this? So after you are done with, after you're done with um, the process, there are three things you will get. You will get an ICAS file number. So please front of you guys. So the first thing that you're going to get after you submit your application is an ICAS file number. The next thing that we're going to get is a document submission form. You're also going to get an academic request form. Now, these are the three things that you will receive after you fill your ICAS application. Okay. Now, ICAS file number is pretty much like the WES reference number or the IQAS file number. Next thing in line is the document submission form. Now, guys, I'll show you what the document submission form looks like. It looks like this. Document submission form is to tell ICAS that these are the documents that I have asked my university to send to you guys. In the previous video, we discussed that the applicant cannot send the transcripts to ICAS. It is the university that has to send it. So you just inform ICAS that you are going to send these things. Uh, you are going to have these things sent over from the university. Along with that, you also have to write what are the things that you're attaching, that you are couriering to ICS. So you personally need to courier this document, this submission form. You need to courier a copy of your degree. You need to a copy of your degree, both sides. You can send colored copies. That's what I recommend, to send colored copy of your degree, front and back, of all of your mark sheets, of each and every semester of your degree slash diploma. You send all of that along with this document submission form to ICAS. This is a courier that goes from your side to ICAS. And while doing that, while couriering it to them, you basically need to uh, put your file number on top and then write the address. The ICS address is this. You write this, and you basically can go to uh, yeah, sorry, yeah, this is a common confusion. So you need to go to ICAS and not IQAS. Looks like Google is confused. So what we'll do is We'll go here, we'll do this matter, and I'll tell you where to send it. This is the place where you send your uh, courier to. Okay, and don't be worried about the address so much, because once you complete your application and once you receive this and the other file number, etc., the email confirmation will also have the address where you have to send your document. So send it there, send it to ICAS. And what I'll do is in the description box, I will put the link of the address, etc. You can just directly go there and check for yourself. So this is what you do. So you send the document, this document submission form along with your degree and mark sheet. You put your file number on top of the envelope along with the address, and you send it from your end. Along with it, you also get an ICAS document request form. I spoke about it in the last video of mine, but I'll still try and get it for you. Um, so I put India. Let's just see if we can get it. Yes. So there is this official request form. So this is the request form that you have to send to your university. So what you do is so see again, guys. This is again the address is written here as well, where you have to courier your documents yourself, and the courier that your university will send with the transcripts to ICS. So this is the part that you have to fill. You have to fill this section. Okay, and this section will be filled by your university. They have to insert this form along with your transcripts, put it in a sealed and stamped envelope, and send it to ICAS. That's pretty much it, guys. It's really not complicated. Step one, you fill your online application, you make the payment. Step two, you get an email of confirmation from ICAS that tells you uh, what you have to do next. And what you have to do next is fill this document submission form and courier your degrees colored scanned copy front and your mark sheet copy front and back, and you have to basically send it to them, uh, in an envelope, and you courier it to. Along with that, you also on the mail get you get the request form, which is this, and you have to fill it. Sorry about the messages popping from my office, but these are this is the request form that you have to fill, and you have to send it to the university, and the university fills this section, and they send it along with your transcripts to ICAS in a sealed and stamped envelope. I hope that was helpful, guys. I'll come back and make now my next video will be on WES, CES, and ICAS. So all the best, stay safe, like, share, subscribe. Thank you.